Summertime in Steuben County means lake season is in full gear. See boats of all kinds on the lakes with people fishing, swimming, skiing, and soaking up the sun in northern Indiana lakes country. Whether you are a boat owner or you want to rent one for the weekend, Steuben County has all the tools and resources to get you out on the water and cooling off in the summer heat. With public beaches, marinas, bait shops, and rental shops for boats and kayaks, you are just a visit away from a day full of fun on the water. Bring your family on a week-long trip. Explore the campgrounds that feature amenities and lake access for a weekend getaway. Relax on the beaches and hike on the trails at Trine State Recreational Area. Rent bikes for the day and see the beautiful community of Angola that makes Steuben County so special. We can't wait to see you. Find out more about Steuben County and summer fun at visitsteubencounty.com.